How to create a sign up form in Brevo. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a sign up form to collect and gather email addresses and contacts from customers or clients into your favorite platform, which is going to be Brevo. So the first thing that you need to do is to head over brevo.com, sign up or sign in for an account within this platform, and then you're going simply right there to select the contacts from the left side menu. So we are going to click on contacts. Here we have the e-commerce management. Here we have the campaign creation, order, automations, and transactional options like the powerful message API, etc. Now we are going to click on contacts. From here, we are going to see the database of yours. So we have only one contact that has been subscribed to our email. This is only a test email that I have created. This is my own example or testing email for the tutorials. And make sure that you are going to use your email or the email address to create your account right there, or the email addresses that you are going to get from the customers. Now, since we have the contacts, we are going to see here a drop down menu that have right there produced or has been triggered by clicking on contacts. We have the lists of the contacts. We have the segmentations. We have some companies, or we have here the companies contacts that we have created or we have imported. We have here the forms, which is going to be the subscription form. The sign up form on Brevo is called subscription forms. So you're going to see that we can create our first subscription form if you do have the first, or if you don't have already set up the campaigns or the subscription forms yet, you're going to see this one. So I'm going to click on create a subscription form. We are going to put a form name for it. For example, here subs, for example, for store, and right there you're going to click on next. After that, you're going to set up the design. You're going to have some right there checkup list, like the setup for the name of the form. We have design, which is going to load here the template. And here we have the third step, which is going to be list, defining which list your contact will be saved. Settings, you are going to customize the form setting. The messages, customize the informational messages. And the final step is to share that form. So as you can see, we have a drop down editor, which is going to be here a very cool editor. We're going to see here the preview of the design either on desktop or on mobile. So we are going to see here that we have, for example, newsletter. When you click on something that is going to be editable, you're going to get the editing styles on here. But here we have the form design. We are going to see the builder here. We are going to see every piece of work that we can go ahead and put it. For example, for the builds, we can go ahead and add some titles, text, images. I'm going to add an image here because it is going to be empty without an image. And here you can control the width and the height of the image. So we are going to make it for at least double the size to 40 by a height of 120. Then we are going to choose an image. I'm going to upload or start uploading an image here. Let's choose here maybe this one. So we're going to give this one as a gift. This is a gift card, I think, that we've made. I'm going to click on insert. Here we have the image. So you can add an alternative text description of the image. You can add also a landing URL when they have clicked on the image. For example, click on that and they will take them to the specific page. Now back to the builder, you can add, for example, a divider like that. Also, you can go ahead and make the width of the divider, the color of the divider, something like that. Here we have it. You are going to make it either solid, dotted, or dashed. For example, it is going to be depending on your, as you can see here, the specific background that you have here. So you can go ahead and duplicate that specific right there divider. I'm going to put it here between, or take this one, the image between the two dividers like that. It is, I think, more aesthetic. Now for the background here, as you can see, we have a background color. So you can go ahead and make it like that. Make it transparent, for example, like this, or make it, I don't know, like that white or this color. So it is going to be dependent on you. You can choose also an image instead of that. Here we have the text. You can go ahead and modify titles, the size of the titles, the text, the labels, and etc. Now back to the builder again, you can go ahead and add an attribute or a tag, multi-list subs. Here we have single choices that, for example, you're going to add here. I'm going to add it here after the email address. So you are going to customize here. No attributes. So it is not here a attribute. So I want to add maybe a single choice, but it doesn't matter. Can add the GDPR fields like that. You're going to add some opt-in right there. Agree to receive the newsletter that accept data privacy statement. You're going to add it like that if you want to do that. But basically here the subscription will not need these kind of those. So here the captcha is going to be recommended right there, and you're going to put a secret key, for example, the side key right there, and etc. to make sure that it is going to be here fully secured. And here we have the builder. Make sure that you have checked the mobile version also to make it sure that it is going to be fluid. And here we have the form design. After you have set that, you are going to click on next. Now you are going to strongly recommend to use the recaptcha. I will not use it. I will ignore just that. Here we are going to see the lists. You can go ahead and create a list, for example, or see the list that we have it. For example, here we have an abandoned checkout, and etc. I'm going to create a new list, for example, new subs, for example, like that. I'm going to set here the first folder list. I'm going to add it. Now we are going to click on next. Here we have the confirmations, double confirmation email. We are going to select here the template, for example, default DOI template. I'm going to add it. This is for the double confirmation email. You can go ahead and put a simple confirmation email. A single confirmation email will be sent after the form is submitted. We're going to set up one of these default templates. So like that. Here, confirmation page after. So you can go ahead and add the confirmation page after you have set that. You can go ahead and add your thank you or default thank you page, or you can go ahead and put a no confirmation email, which is going to be here rather a standard. I'm going to click on next, a template, so like that. Now for the message, you are going to see here the default messages that are going to be occurring or appearing for each one of the steps. For example, a successful message or an invalid user information. You're going to put these information as standard. You can go ahead and edit them if you want, but I'm going to let them as standard because it is enough. Here you are going to click on next. Now for the a quick share or the share options, you can go ahead and get the link of the right there, the subscription. Or of course, here also we can go ahead and download the QR code and integrate it in some designs or some pages. And here we have the iframe, or you can go ahead and embed it into some websites or some pages. Here we have the HTML code, the iframe code is the simple HTML code. When you finish, you are going to click on done, and here we have made our subscription form. So that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.